Hi, my name is Julie and I make and sell cards and other papercraft items. My business is called Little Lemon Press. And today I'm not making a card, I'm going to be making a little party favor out of this 6x6 paper. So it's this pale pink on the back with these green stripes, and it's a 6x6 paper. And it's best to do a non-directional paper if possible. For this, and it's a super fast project. So it's almost like origami-ish. So I'm folding my paper in half and into half this way, to a triangle. So this is going to be the inside and this is going to be the outside. Then I'm going to fold it down almost to the end, or to the end, it's fine. And then these little wings that are sticking out, I'm going to fold them in. If I had my bone folder with me, that would help me to make the creases, but I forgot that. I film in a different area from my desk. Okay. So it looks like this, and you make a little pocket. And I'm going to put in some like little candies and for my little pocket. So now I'm going to decorate it, and I'm going to use my favorite glue. A lot of people ask me about this glue. It's called Nouveau glue, and it's my favorite. So if you're looking for glue for your paper craft items, this is my personal favorite. I know a lot of people like Tombow, and that's good too, but this just happens to be my favorite. It dries clear and isn't too gooey, so my personal favorite. I might need to put a little bit more here. You could use tearing tape for this too. So I'm just putting some glue down. I'm not sure if you saw it. This was covering it. I just glued these two flaps down, and they're going to be covered, so it doesn't have to be super pretty. And then I'm going to glue this flap down, squish it down, give it a second to adhere. I need to get a little bit more. I'm running low on this glue. Okay, so I'm going to decorate it with these butterflies momentarily. I have two butterflies that I already die cut. These are the two dies that I used. And I'm gonna put a little sentiment on here. So I'm using this punch, which I'm not sure what it's called. It's some type of label punch. I thought I had the name on it, but it didn't. And I'm gonna write "Have the best day." Well, I'm not gonna write it. I'm gonna stamp it. So I'm gonna take my green. This is a peaceful pine, just a green to kind of coordinate. And stamp "Have the best day" on this little label. And I realize I forgot my dimensionals, but that's okay. I'll just glue it on here. I was going to put dimensionals, but I'll just glue it on here. Okay. And then I'm going to glue on. I'm going to use my reverse tweezers to help me hold this so I can glue on. This is actually that paper, so you might be able to see the green on this side. So, the butterflies on the pink side to kind of go onto the green. And then this one. So for a little decoration, oops, on here, and then it's just a little pouch for a few little candies that can go inside, and they're for a party favor, so I made a few others. This one I did put dimensionals on. Oh, and if you wanted, which I might go back and do, and round the edge, it just kind of looks a little bit more finished. To if you have a corner rounder, it kind of looks nice to do that. And here are a few other ones. I made a bunch. This one's my favorite. Made a few with this paper here. This one was tricky because it's somewhat directional, so I had to really think about it. So this side that's kind of hidden is upside down. So that one was the trickiest, mostly because of the it being a paper that is directional. So it kind of works nicely when you have some papers that aren't directional. So I needed to make 12 of these. I've got one more to make, so I wanted to show this cute little quick project. Okay, thank you for watching.